Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss how HOAs can instantly reach all residents at once via text message, phone call, and email. To get things started, log into your DialMyCalls account and you will see your dashboard. Click on Broadcast and then New Broadcast. You are now able to select phone call, text message, and email for the type of messages you want to send out to your residents. Click on Next to continue. Select all of the residents you want to receive your broadcast. Once you've selected all of the contacts, click Next to proceed. From the drop-down menu, select the phone number that will be used as the caller ID for the phone call portion of this broadcast. Click Next to continue. Select the recording you want to send out as the phone call and then click on Next. For the text message, select your approved vanity phone number from the drop-down menu and then select a text message template or type out a new message and click Next to continue. The email broadcast is a free option when you send a call or text message, so this will auto-populate with the text message you are sending. Click Next to continue. On the next step, you can name your broadcast so it's easy to view the reports once they have been sent out. Click Next to continue. View the details of your phone call, text message, and email to ensure all of the information is accurate, and once confirmed, click Confirm and Send, and then click Yes. You will now be shown the broadcast confirmation, and your phone call, text message, and email broadcasts have now been sent out. To view the reports, click on Broadcast and then Broadcast Reports. Find the name of your broadcast and then click Call, Text, or Email to view the detailed report. Once you've clicked on the text message report, you will see every single text message that was sent as well as the status for each. Ensure everyone received your message by going through the report. If someone did not receive the text, then check out the call and email report to ensure they received one of those. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.